Kaivalyaswarupaya Namaha. So, Kaivalyaswarupaya Namaha. The last class we saw Kaivalya means that and that and that alone. Kevalasya swabhava is Kaivalya, or Kevalasya bhava is Kaivalya. Means Kevala means that and that and that alone. That's all can be said. When that and that and that alone is there, how to know it? Just to know something, there should be a knower, and the known, and the contact of the knower with the known. That's called knowing. When that and that alone is there, who is to know? And how to know? In this realm only there is a knower, knowing, known. BMI appears to be the knower, and OET appears to be the known. So knower contacting the known, knowing, and it is annoying also. When that and that and that alone is there, the homogeneous mass of consciousness, there is no knowing, there is no knower. Knowing it is only a state of being. Being is knowing. So no differences are there, no distinctions, no divisions. It's an indivisible truth. So what it is, we cannot say. So at least we can analyze what are all the divisions and understand that these divisions are not there. What are all the divisions? Last class. So did you remember Mehul's talk 2011? I remembered. What? Nothing. So, what are the Bhedas? Sajati Bheda, Vijati Bheda. Okay, we'll put Sajati Bheda, Vijati Bheda, Swagata Bheda. Differences in the same species, that's called Sajati Bheda. Vijati Bheda means different species. And Swagata means in one entity itself there is Bheda. Example, Sajati Bheda, same jati, all are human beings. Asian, Caucasian, Latino, Mongolio. Mongolio you can say. How many types of human beings? I mean, the traits. Asian, Caucasian, Latino, African. That is should come for. African doesn't come under Asian. Okay, African, Asian, Caucasian, Latino, South Indian. A separate trait. That too Tamilian, separate. Nane dan separate. Then Gujarati will say, "Hum kam hai kya? Hum kamche." Like, but human beings is very difficult to, same species, very subtle to see the traits. Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Very tough to tell. That's why I choose animals. Same species, but different breeds. Especially dogs. That's called Sajati Bheda. Vijati Bheda, different species. Cat is not a dog. Dog is not a donkey. Donkey is not you. Even though behavior-wise and all is same, but not you. Different species. Then Swagata Bheda, head is not the trunk. Trunk is not the limbs. Limbs are not the toes. Toes is not the nose. Of course, there are some exceptions. So this is called Swagata Bheda. the difference in the same entity. These differences are not there in Kevala. That's all we can say. Means that and that. So whoever has realized that state, he will not see any differences. Discrimination, what they talk nowadays, black and white. Brahmana, Boston Brahmin, and Shudra. These differences will not be there in that person. So Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha. Salutations to him who is alone. Alone means not lonely. Alone. That and that alone. He alone is. You can't say he alone also. That aloneness. In spite of the crowd. In spite of the crowd, that aloneness. So, Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha means Mukta Swarupa. That's the idea. Means Ek mein Shanti. Ek mein Shanti. Do mein Kranti. Ek mein Shanti, do mein Kranti. You all married people know it. Right? When you were Ek, Shanti. Ban gaye do, Kranti. So that is what. So they say marriage is such a narrow path, narrow razor's edge is married life, where two people cannot walk at the same time. Did you know that? Married life is such a razor's edge, one narrow path. Two people cannot walk together unless they become one. Unless they become one. That is why you married to become one. But after marriage only, before marriage only, you want to be one. After marriage, so whenever you're thinking of saying any nasty words to your spouse, remember what all words you spoke just after the marriage for a few weeks. Remember those and note down in your mind. And say those words, rehearsal. Just to say those, you may not mean it also. Just to say those words, those sentences, mug them, rectify, buttify, and then repeat the same words. I meant both of you. Isn't it? That way, then, at least verbally, you're thinking something but saying something nice. So some changes might happen because all by practice makes perfect. So keep on practicing. What all few weeks after marriage you told, remember all those dialogues. You can email me also, so I'll share it with others. So the point is, anonymous. Now if you want to tell the name also, I can. So, Neha nanasti kinchana. Neha nanasti kinchana means iha, here. See, I'm pointing. Iha nana na asti. Nana means not your Hindi nana. Sanskrit nana. Nana in Hindi is Mataji ka baap. It sounds very insulting, no? Mataji ka baap, if you tell Nana. No Nana there. Not even Tamil Nana. In Tamil, Nana means, am I? Nana, am I? This girl came into me. What's your name? Nia, she said. I said, Nia, Nana. Poor small child, she was looking at me. What is this man talking? Nothing she understood. Then I saw Nia means, are you? Nana means, am I? Nia, Nana. Are you or am I? Still she did not understand. But she gave me nice Girl Scout cookies. I understood that. So no Nana, the Nana means many. In Sanskrit, nana means many, many, many. No many here. Consciousness alone. That is called Kaivalya. Moksha Swarupa. So, Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha. Om Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha.